Hi everyone, this is just a quick video to help you navigate your course. So here is the home page and the announcements page. So you should see this right when you log in. If you look in the left-hand column, this is where you would click to get back to the announcements page. I have my teacher contact information, so you can see phone number, office hours are stated here. I also spent some time in the Academic Success Center, so you can meet me there too if you have any questions on any assignments. And then to get to my office hours link, you'll just click on this personal link right here. Some other things in the column, we have the syllabus, we have a shortened version here, and grading scale. And then if you want to read through the longer version, you just click here and it's a long page, like going into more details about the course. The Getting Started folder, this is really helpful. This is where you find the discussion question where you introduce yourself. And to do a discussion question, you just click on the discussion title. And then you need to do another click right here on the blue link and read through what I want you to say to introduce yourself, or whatever the requirement is for the discussion if it's an assignment. And then when you want to post yours, you just click reply, type in your information, and then click submit. So I'm just going to cancel out right now. Back to the Getting Started folder. There's also another short assignment, just a companion animals writing. And then here's where you find the pace chart. This will let you know when each folder is opening this week. Quarter 4 is on page 5, so I'm jumping down to that. And so you can see it's a little hard to, it looks a little cumbersome, but do not pay attention to these part 2 and part 1 and 2 block schedule things. You only need to pay attention to here of the start and end date, and then there is only 8 weeks or 8 weekly folders for this course, so you're just doing part 1. So for example, like the 10th, the Getting Started in week 1, that's what you should be working on in this course. And then on the 17th, the week 2 folder will open. The week 1 folder will stay open, so if you're like a little behind or you just need an extra day or something, don't worry, you'll still be able to go back to those assignments. It really helps if you try to keep up with this pace. Like, try to be done with all of week 2's assignment before the 24th when week 3 opens, because then you'll just be on track to get credit and pass the course. So I'm going to exit out of that and go back to the Getting Started folder. Handbook for the 2019 to 2020 school year, and then some more school policies. And all this stuff will always be here in the Getting Started folder. So for, let me just jump back to the announcements page again to show you how to get there. And this is also where I have my contact information, my email. Emails is probably the best way to get a hold of me. And then I have my Collaborate Room link there as well. So for the assignments, you click on the weeks 1 through 8 folder. And since only week 1 is available right now, this is the only one you'll see. By the end of the quarter, you'll see all 8 folders down here. And week 1 will always be at the top, so they just get added on the bottom. So click on the title of the folder, and now we are opened into the week 1 folder. Something new this quarter, we have the focused first assignment. So this is if you are, if you're feeling overwhelmed, or you just don't have the time, or you just are stuck with where you should focus first for this week. I have listed some assignments here that the ones you should at least get done. So if you don't have time to do one that's not on the list, at least get these ones done. Obviously, we want you to be able to do all the assignments, so those all count towards your grade. But if you are just, like it says here, if you're just feeling a little overwhelmed or you're just wondering where to get started, just get started with these assignments. And that'll be at the top of every weekly folder. Every week there'll be vocabulary, and all you do is click on the Quizlet link, study the terms, and then you can choose a game to play. You can play the match game, the gravity game, or if you want to take like a quiz with the vocab, whatever works best for you. And then you just submit a screenshot for your assignment. To submit an assignment, you click on the assignment title, and then you can either write a submission. So if there's just like a quick answer or something like that, or if you want to paste some answers here, you can do that. Or you can select Browse My Computer, and then you'll just attach a file and then click Submit. So this works just like if you're attaching something to an email. You just attach it and then submit. I'm going to cancel out right now. Every week is going to have kind of the same setup. We'll have a vocab, we'll have a reading, and then some assignments. And so for the embedded videos, once you click play, you can click picture in picture, and then you can make the video bigger, and then just exit out that way. We have to embed the videos to so you guys don't have to go off to another link. And then hyperlinks always will be like the article. Just click on that, and it should open up in a new window. If links don't work, just let me know. So again, I'll just jump back to the announcements page. If there's anything you need, just let me know. And again, this is just kind of tutorial. Going through tech orientation is obviously the best choice, but if you didn't have time to do that, hopefully this mini tech orientation helped you be successful in this course this quarter. Just let me know if you have any questions.